Today we are going to understand about encapsulation, which is one of the main property of object-oriented programming. Before we start understanding about encapsulation, we should understand about instance variables within a class. There are two type of variables. One is instance variable and another one is class variable. These variables can be created within any class. These are, in other words, we can add as members inside a class. For example, our class is calculator and I have added a public int num1 as a variable, integer data type variable. So num1 is a instance variable. Now, in order to print this variable, the data inside the variable num1, I have written system out dot println num1. And let's run this program and see whether we can print out num1. No, it gives an error, right? So in order to print out this instance variable, we have to create an object from this class calculator and then access this instance variable. So let's create an object from this class calculator. Syntax is calculator, this class name, then object name obj1, for example, equal to new calculator. Calculator open close plain brackets, it's called the default constructor for calculator, and obj1 is the object name. Now, to access the instance variable, I have to type the object name obj1 dot num1. Now let's run and see the output is printed. Since num1 is stored initialized with 0, the output shows 0. Now let's change the value of num1 to 10 and run the program. You get value 10 as the output. Also, we can change the value within the scope of public static void main by following the syntax object name of obj1 dot num1 equal to 20. So then the output prints 20. The value has changed.
Now let's understand about static variable or class variable. Class variable has got a access modifier static mentioned before the data type. As in, I'm going to type static keyword in line number 5 and the variable name is num2 with data type int. It's already stored with the value 3. And line number 11, I'm printing out num2 directly without referring any object. Let's run and see the output. The output got printed out. So this is called a class variable.